From what I've seen, almost the entire thing is pretty hard to penetrate. It's pressed really tight. That doesn't give. I tried different tools, different size of screwdrivers. Even I custom made this little wire cutter. I grinded one end, one side almost to the end, and the other side I actually sharpened it. But I think this tool will be useful once you get the lip up a little bit around the entire thing, so this can go in the back of the lip and kind of gently straighten it out or pull it up quicker than a screwdriver can with a better grip. But until you get the lip up, this tool is pretty much useless. And I noticed only at one spot where I actually just started, you can see, if I zoom in with the light on, you can probably see it was a little bit creased up, and it seemed like it just wasn't pressed down as much. Maybe I got lucky, maybe that was intentional, I'm not sure. It's fairly sharp, smallest but also strongest, because you definitely need something that's sturdy. It can't bend, or it can't be too small or too big for that matter. So it seems like I started it, but you just got to be patient, as many others typically advise on YouTube and elsewhere. You have to start from one spot and then just kind of gently work around the entire thing little by little and make multiple passes. The tip that I like the best online is you put the screwdriver almost down with the side down and then turn it, in this case counterclockwise, the same direction as I'm going, and that seems to get a grip on the side of the lip and actually bend it and lift it. And you can go really slow, but this requires a lot of wrist strength, that's for sure. And so once in a while you'll hear that little popping sound where it just misses, and that's fine. The screwdriver I'm using actually has a very small handle, so that makes it probably harder on my wrists. I can't generate as much torque, but I think it's good that I don't accidentally overdo it. Yeah, but it's definitely coming up. Even the parts where it's just super tightly pressed down, if you go like slowly, and as you lift a little bit and you move to the next quarter inch or so, your blade is already have a little bit of your screwdriver has a little bit of a head start, or kind of like halfway in. So if you don't go too far ahead, you'll notice the opened part allows you to get in, because the other, so you basically just go as far as where the lip is ever so slightly lifted up already, so that'll allow the screwdriver to go in. See, if I just go about maybe 1/16 or 1/8 of an inch, so you have to just visually see it. I'm actually using glasses because this thing is it's too precise for me for me to see with my regular eyesight. Plus, it's just like metal and metal. Like I can't even tell where the lip ends and the actual casing starts. Because the lip is not the same thickness all around. It actually changes a bit of the... Maybe this light is a little too much. Maybe you can see a little better now, I don't know. Or the light on my glasses, it's set as low, so maybe not as much glare now. I'm definitely seeing some progress. I have these type of pliers. I think they're called jewelry pliers. It's like a regular pliers, nil nose pliers, but they're just round with no threads on them. And I want to see if it actually works. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This guy's doing a pretty good job actually. I'm not sure if it's gonna be able to bend more, but yep. Oh, sorry, not sure what happened to the camera, but it actually shut off when, I'm not sure at what point it shut off, so I'll have to review the footage, see what it actually recorded, but this is, it just popped off as I kind of yanked on it just to see how loose it is, just to show you there's really not much of a lip. So when you bend it, it's just not going to be more than a couple of millimeters of thin metal actually grabbing onto this side. This entire lip here is probably 2-3 millimeters at the most itself. So this is it. I just have to find... The glass is in pretty good shape. I'll probably clean it up with a little Windex. But my actual focus is going to be this guy. Make sure you put on that soft surface. Oh my god, these are super tough. This thing was actually making it harder, or maybe the main reason why it wouldn't come off. This is what the inside looks like. And this is the actual Speedo. Ah, the back is actually pretty neat. And my problem is the needle is not working at all. I can tell the needle is bent or broken. Yeah, it looks... Oh yeah, this thing looks broken. Yeah, the little needle thing looks broken. I wonder if I can lift it up. This has to... Yeah, see, it's broken. The needle is broken. I saw it was cracked and... If I hold the magneto and just twist this sucker, is it a screw on? How am I coming? Oh shit, it came loose. What is it? Screw? I don't know if it just screwed on or just came loose. What are you doing?